Wrecking Ball Online. Systems optimized.
Hey guys, it's me, it's Hammus. So today, I think I'm going to be trying to beat Minecraft without breathing, so let's kind of get started into that, and... Alright, hold on, let me just go see what Daisy's barking at. Who's at the door? Hey!
Testing. Testing. Hello, Internet. Welcome back to Food Theory. I don't know how to do this voice. How do I do the voice? Forgot. I fucking forgot. Hello, Internet. Welcome back to Food Theory. Buckle up, fuckos. Today I'm going to be solving one of cinema's longest ever mysteries. Okay, I got it. Hello, Internet. Welcome back to Food Theory. My name is MatPat, and today on Food Theory, we're going to be discussing why hamsters taste better raw. That's right, you might not know this, but hamsters are an excellent source of protein. They're an even better source of protein than gerbils, which are a terrible source of protein. A word of advice for all you protein lovers out there: do not eat gerbils. Hamsters are what you want to be eating, but don't cook them. Cooking a hamster allows all of the protein that was entangled with the hamster's innocence to escape from the body, thus evaporating the soul of the hamster and leaving no life energy left to feed off of. How will you ever get those massive gains if you're not feasting on the souls of innocent hamsters? Exactly, so don't cook them. Eat your hamsters raw. This is the way to go. Not only is it a good idea to eat your hamsters raw for the nutritional benefits alone, but they also taste much better this way too. You might as well throw that brand new cast iron you bought into the garbage. Throw out all your spices and seasonings too. You won't be needing them anymore. That really expensive red wine that you bought to go with that juicy filet mignon that you also bought? Garbage, filth, trash, not even worth your taste buds' time. Here's what you do, alright? You go down to your local pet store. Ask for their finest hamsters. Buy as many as they'll let you, but be cautious. If you ask for too many hamsters, let's say 6 hamsters, they might get a little bit suspicious as to why you are purchasing so many hamsters. Now, if you were to ask for way too many hamsters, for example, 66 hamsters, then they will probably tell you that they don't even have that many hamsters, nor would they ever sell you that many because that is a lot of fucking hamsters to be buying at one time. If hypothetically speaking you asked for 666 hamsters, then they will call 911. They will also not sell you the hamsters. Assuming you've successfully purchased your hamsters, it is now time to consume them. If you're having any regrets or second thoughts at this point, simply release your hamsters into the wild. They will be just fine, trust me. Hamsters are very good at surviving on their own in the wild. So good, in fact, that they will often live long enough to mate with other wild hamsters and raise a litter of younglings. This will make a most excellent meal for whatever predator ends up eating their dead asses. Alternatively, you can flush any unwanted hamsters down the toilet. Now, where was I? Oh yes, consuming your hamsters. Like I said, you really don't want to be cooking these bastards, hamsters. Really fucks with the flavor. What I like to do is just pop them into my mouth, like a grape. Did you know that they did surgery on a grape? Fun stuff. Let me know down in the comments below whether you prefer white grapes or red grapes. That's all I've got for now. Tune in next week for my food theory on why gay seahorses are bad for your—
Don't you tell me how many calories I need, bitch!
Bye-bye! Assuming you've successfully purchased your hamsters, it is now time to consume them. If oh, it's good. It's too good. Okay, hold on.